Well, it's already been 2 years since I am playing around with POCO X3. So it is time for bringing a new device into my list. So here I am adding the latest POCO X3 Pro version into my list. We will be looking at the unboxing of POCO X3 Pro with this video. I'm pretty sure that you have already seen hundreds of videos on POCO X3 Pro. And also this is going to be a first unboxing review from this channel. So before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. I'll be continue working on POCO X3 Pro as well. As you see, I am having a fresh POCO X3 Pro box in front of me. Let's quickly see what is the spec it can offer. The phone does comes out with the 7nm Snapdragon 860 and the Reality Flow 120Hz Full HD display. It is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6. As a camera feature, it does comes out with 48 megapixel as its primary sensor and all other 2MP rubbish cameras. As a front-facing camera, it does got the 20 megapixel. And the phone also coupled with a 5160 mAh battery, which will be good enough to last for a day, I believe. 33 watt fast charging also included, and I am happy to see that. As like the POCO X3, this phone is also comes out with a liquid cooling technology. As an addition, the phone does also got the super fast UFS 3.1 storage, 240Hz touch sampling rate, which is something great if you are a gamer, dual stereo speakers as well as the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. I am not so sure why did POCO went with the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. As per my opinion, when comparing with any other physical fingerprint scanner, side-mounted fingerprint scanner sucks big time. Finally, my device is coupled with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory. So let's move forward. The first box does include the SIM ejector tool as well as some paperwork. Let it go aside as of now. And it does also include a silicone transparent back cover, which will be good enough for protecting your phones from scratching. And here comes the POCO X3 Pro. Let me keep the phone aside as of now. Leaving that behind, there is the 33 watt charging adapter with cable, which is a good quality, I believe. And yeah, it does comes out from MI. There is nothing else available in the box. Let me keep them aside. So this is how the POCO X3 Pro look like. Since my favorite color is the blue, I did order the steel blue variant, same as my POCO phone F1. So let me put on the back cover and quickly power on the phone. Let's see how long it does take. So as you see, the phone does comes out with the MIUI 12. I believe that it is not the latest one. So let me quickly finish the startup steps and come back. So here it is, the phone does finished with the first boot steps. And as you see, it does looks pretty solid. Everything is smooth as far I tested. I am only talking about the minimal UI navigation. That's all for now. So I'll be doing a performance review on this phone. So that's it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here, and I'll catch you in next one.